Health benefits of apples. Apples are not only delicious and versatile, but also packed with numerous health benefits. Incorporating apples into your diet can contribute to overall well-being in various ways. Here are some key health benefits of apples. 1. Rich in nutrients. Apples are a great source of essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and various antioxidants. A medium-sized apple provides about 4 grams of fiber, which is about 17% of the daily recommended intake. 2. Supports heart health. The high fiber content in apples helps lower cholesterol levels, which is beneficial for heart health. Additionally, apples contain polyphenols that have antioxidant effects, which may reduce the risk of heart disease. 3. Aids in weight management. Apples are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a filling snack that can help with weight management. Eating apples can promote a feeling of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. 4. Promotes gut health. The fiber in apples, particularly pectin, acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This helps maintain a healthy digestive system and can prevent constipation and other digestive issues. 5. Regulates blood sugar levels. Apples have a low glycemic index and are high in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. This makes them a good fruit choice for people with diabetes or those looking to prevent blood sugar spikes. 6. Supports brain health. The antioxidants found in apples, such as quercetin, have been shown to protect brain cells from oxidative stress. This can help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 7. Boosts immune system. Apples are a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Regular consumption of apples can help keep common illnesses like colds and flu at bay. 8. Improves skin health. The antioxidants and vitamin C in apples can improve skin health by reducing signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. Vitamin C also promotes collagen production, which is vital for maintaining skin elasticity. 9. Strengthens bones. Apples contain nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants that are beneficial for bone health. Regular consumption of apples can help maintain bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. 10. Reduces the risk of cancer. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in apples have been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, including colorectal, breast, and lung cancer. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals and prevent cell damage. How to enjoy apples. Fresh. Eat apples as a convenient and healthy snack. Salads. Add sliced apples to salads for a sweet and crunchy addition. Smoothies. Blend apples with other fruits and vegetables for a nutritious smoothie. Baking. Use apples in baking recipes like pies, muffins, and cakes. Cooking. Incorporate apples into savory dishes like pork with applesauce or apple stuffed chicken. Including apples in your daily diet is a simple and delicious way to enhance your health. Enjoy them in various forms and recipes to reap their numerous benefits.